I thought I'd make it a little easier on myself vacuuming, so what I did was I got a little 45 attachment, as you can see down the bottom, hooked up a piece of hose, and there you have it. What happens is the water is forced through the hose, sort of like a little whip, pushes all the dirt down to the center. Makes it easier for vacuuming. I think it works pretty good. Low cost, very efficient, and there you have it. Still got to do a little vacuuming, but basically it's just half the pool instead of all the pool.